Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently hide your taskbar. So I bet you've seen tutorials before where they tell you to turn on auto hide, but the problem with auto hide in the Windows 10 taskbar is it's not permanently gone, and you're watching this video because you want your taskbar to hide it permanently per se. So with this, you can see that my taskbar is here. It's an auto hide feature. It comes up whenever I hover my mouse cursor to where the taskbar is, or when I press the start key. So what we're gonna do in this video is permanently just remove this because I have like a top bar over here that I want to use. So what we're gonna do here is real quick, I'm gonna show you the result of what's going to happen after you follow this video. So there we go. As you can see here, it's turned off. It's nowhere to be seen. Even if even if we drag software around this area, it doesn't do anything. Right? So how do you do this? Well, you're gonna need one software tool, which is gonna be from Nearsoft, the software nircmd. So to get nircmd, you have to go to their website. nircmd, you can just type nircmd and it should take you to this page. Now what you're gonna do is basically just download this software. It's gonna give you like a zip file, which I've already downloaded it, so it's time to go to that directory. So now what do we have here? We have nircmd. So how do we hide our taskbar? Well, simply enough, you just have to open this folder and take note. You can only do this by opening the command prompt or using PowerShell, and the executable file needs to be in the same directory where you're executing the command. So I'm gonna open my terminal right here. So as you can see, my terminal's right there. And what I'm gonna do next is, well, first I need to make the taskbar appear again. So this is gonna be the command. It's gonna be in the description, but yeah, this is gonna be the command for showing the taskbar again. So once I enter this thing, it's gonna bring back my taskbar, right? Now, what if I want to permanently hide the taskbar? Well, you're gonna enter this one instead, and just like that, it's gone. So usually I would recommend putting this inside your users folder. So as you can see, this is my user folder, so I put it here. So every time I open a command prompt, I can instantly use it. You can instantly use it, or you can also download it using the chocolatey package manager, so you can execute the command anywhere. Basically, if I do it like this, so if I go back a bit and it's not here, I can just do this. Essentially, I can execute the command anywhere, in any directory I enter. So yeah. And what else? If you're gonna do this, I would recommend two settings. I would set Windows 10, or the taskbar rather, to auto hide, because there's gonna be some problems if you don't. I'm gonna show you. So if you don't, there's gonna be a gap right here. This is the space that your taskbar is going to take up if it's not in auto hide feature. So essentially what this program does, it just hides the taskbar, but the space it takes up, it's still there, but you can't click anything that's in the taskbar. It's just gone, though it still takes up space. So let's just hide that real quick. And one thing's gonna be another thing that's gonna be a problem is when you press the start menu, it's still going to respect the space that you have even when your taskbar is open. So there's that one downside. So yeah, what else? So yeah, you know how to hide your taskbar now, but the other problem is, how do you make this automatic? For making this process automatic, you just need to make your own batch script that you run on startup, and it's fairly easy. I'm gonna put it in this description, but for you guys, I'm gonna show you what it should look like just for this video. So right now we're in my video, so I'm gonna do cat show, just auto-complete it. So this is gonna be it, since my nircmd is located in my user, under my user folder. I execute this command, so it's at echo off cd, and it's gonna execute this command, and it's gonna show this in the console and pause. So yeah, every time I start up my PC, it should show something like this. Yeah, it should open up a command prompt and something like this, which hides my taskbar. I can press enter, and it should quit the command prompt it opened. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope this was helpful. And if you like the video and want more videos, don't forget to press the like and subscribe. Links will be in the description below, and the code for the bad trip is going to be below as well.